What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a very special box right here. This is something that I wanted, and I'm so glad that I was able to get it. And we are talking about the Kobe 5 Protro girls EYBL sneaker. This is amazing, man. So if you're not familiar with the girls EYBL, excuse me, I always want to say EBYL. EYBL, it is a youth circuit for girl basketball players under 17, and it's just a good platform that Kobe was really into, man, to get these young hoopers going. So these sneakers are special. I'm glad I was able to get a pair from Mamba week. And without further ado, man, let's get this unboxing rolling. So we're looking at the sneaker, man. This is your typical Kobe 5 Protro. Beautiful model overall, of course. Give you a quick 360 before we get into all the details. I got a size 11.5. I didn't even notice that before. I like that. Size 11.5. I normally wear 12 or 11.5 in most sneakers. 11.5 is the first one I clicked on when I opened my app, so I said I'm gonna stick with it. So looking at the sneaker, man, you have beautiful like white, dark like hunter green all over, accents of like your bright yellow sock lining, this like copper check outline, even the EYBL logo, that same copper right there. The back heel tabs, like this beautiful like bright highlighter pink. And then of course Kobe's signature is that same copper on the back as well. Just a really good sneaker, man. The model itself, like I said, it's a classic model, man. It's a beautiful model. You really can't beat this at all. The colorway is unique to me. A little bit different from your typical, like, you know, Lakers colorways, of course, which you usually see. But I love the special ones that they do too. Of course, the fly wire on the side. These are sick, man. Let's get into it. Let's see what's on the inside. Got the two right there on the inside, and of course that only means that on the other one we're gonna have a 4. So let's take a look. Yes, we do. 24 for Kobe, of course. Got the Kobe logo on the other tongue, EYBL on this tongue, KB on this sneaker, 24 on this sneaker. Huge fan of these. Man, I'm actually tempted to wear these today. Seriously. Like I said, the average sneaker I wear a 12 in. I'll do 11.5 in some things. Air Forces, I'll do like 11.5. I haven't put on a pair of Kobe's in so long, so I honestly don't remember what the best size for me is. I'm gonna hope that these 11.5s fit how I want them to. I'm pretty sure they will. I'm not too concerned. But in just a second, I'm gonna get y'all some footage of me wearing them. We're gonna do a try-on session. We're gonna talk about the comfort, see how they feel. I might do some little sprints outside real quick. But yeah, man, let's get into the try-on. Let's see what's good. All right, guys, so I got the Kobe's on my feet. And first thing, man, these shoes are gorgeous to sell. So if you're considering getting them on the aftermarket, highly recommend, man. Highly recommend. The color blocking is gorgeous. They look really dope on the feet. I'm a big fan. Second impression is definitely go true to size. I sized down a half a size just trying to be quick and get a pair,
and they are a lot more snug than I expected. I mean, they're basketball kicks, and I know there's fly wire and all that, so part of me should have kind of known better, but you know, I just wanted to be able to get a pair for myself, and I thought I could size down half a size. So they work, but if you're considering, you know, getting a pair, like I said, stick with your true size. Don't size down any at all. You might even be able to go up a half a size, you know, if that's possible for you. They're very snug. Right now I got them super loose, laces untied, and they're still pretty, you know, they're pretty tight. So I can make them work. You know, I wear a lot of no-show socks, they'll be fine. But if you're definitely in the market, get your true size or go up a half a size. Do not size down at all. Also, something that I didn't notice in the light, something pretty cool. If you notice on the toe box and on the side of the shoe, it's almost like a snake-like pattern throughout all of the panels, which is also pretty dope. I didn't recognize that at first. You really see it once you're in some light. Overall, man, these shoes are quality, yo. These are sick, man. These are sick shoes. Glad to have a pair of Kobe's in my arsenal, man. It's been so long since I've had some. Mamba week came, I had to get a pair, and I'm glad. So check them out, man. Like I said, they're only on the aftermarket now. If you know somebody selling them, don't sleep on these. I think this is a good pair. I'm with it, man. So appreciate y'all checking in for the unboxing, man, for the review. I'll leave y'all with some more shots. And man, like, share, subscribe as always, yo. Until next time, peace.